Alright, boys and girls, so let's come back to our little video that we're making. So remember, the perimeter is the outside of the shape, so I'm going to trace that once again. So before we were just practicing with squares and rectangles, now we're going to add in triangles as well. So remember, to find the perimeter, I'm going to measure each of my side lengths. And using these magnet tiles makes it pretty easy to measure because I know that each one is 1 unit. Oh. Puppy and Kitty are getting in a fight over there. It's okay, Mac. Yeah. It's okay. I guess Kitty can have the couch. Yeah, we just don't need to let her scare you off. Okay. So we're going to add up all my side lengths. Oh, they are still not happy with each other. So I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 equals 3. So the perimeter of my triangle would be 3 units. So I'd write P equals 3 units. Hey, next I have a bigger triangle. So once again, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw a line around the outside of my shape. As the outside of the shape is called your perimeter. And then I'm going to see how many units are on each side of my perimeter, or on each side of my shape. So I have 1. Let's see if I can make this a color you can see. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I know that this side is 3 units. 1, 2, 3. This side is 3 units. 1, 2, 3. And this side is 3 units. Once again, to find the perimeter of my shape, I'm going to add up my side lengths. So I'd have 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9. Now that P equals 9 units. And some of you out there might be wondering, well, how do you find the perimeter of a shape if it's not a regular rectangle or triangle? Well, here is a shape. So we're going to learn in 3rd grade how to find the perimeter of any shape as long as it has straight sides, because all you have to do to find the perimeter of a shape is to add up all of your side lengths. So I'm just going to trace around my shape. Because once again, to find the perimeter of a shape, you're just going to add all of your side lengths together. So now I need to see how long each side is. So let's try maybe blue. So I have 1, 2, 3. So I know this side is 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. I know my bottom is 4. This side is 1, 2. This side is 1. This side is 1. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm just going to double check. So I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides to the shape, so I need to make sure I have 6 numbers when I add. So I'm going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I'm going to add all those together. Do 3 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4. Add all my side lengths together. And you can add these numbers up in any order you want, because remember, when we add, it doesn't matter the number we add or the order we add in. But let's see if we can find any quick ways to add up these numbers. So I'm going to look for a 10. So I know that 1 plus 1 is 2, and 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 plus 3 is 10. And 2 plus 4 is 6, so 10 plus 6 is 16. And then down here I could write P equals 16 units. And just to double check to see if that is correct, I could just count up all my units because they're already labeled for us. So I could count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Oh good, I got the right answer. That makes me happy. So boys and girls, I'm going to give you a couple more pictures that I want you to practice with finding the perimeter of the shapes, and that is our math lesson for today.